somewhere is very important, so you can feel useful and part of a community.
Belonging also means to me is whatever you're doing, you enjoy it. You should feel happy and comfortable.
I feel like I belong most at school because that's where I get to hang out with my best friends most.
It was a privilege to be part of it, to be honest, because I was just the guide. Here are the tools. This is what's possible. Here's some samples. Go, have fun, knock yourselves out, and then try and get something from it.
I think it's important for them to show their artistic side. Maybe it's a drama piece, or maybe it's a photography piece, or a painting. Just love bringing that into the classroom, and then for them to be able to show off what they've accomplished.
We can make other people feel like they belong. Some ways are we could ask them if they want to join whatever we're doing, like a community activity.
Si c'est une nouvelle élève, on peut lui montrer l'école. On peut être gentil avec lui.
C'est important parce que nous pouvons aider eux qui n'appartiennent pas dans une communauté.
This next generation, they're coming up with a lot of darkness around them, a lot of negative stuff in media. So this is an opportunity to see the resilience of others, especially in the seniors, and how they overcame things like Second World War, Depression era.
To me, belonging is a feeling of fitting in and feeling accepted in a group or community.
I try to make other people feel like they belong by just listening more to them because it always feels good to be heard.
It's really cool to see, and not only do they shine, but all those other skills that they're developing, just how to cooperate, how to have a discussion, how to disagree with somebody appropriately. You know what I mean? I feel like these are skills that we need so much in our society.
I truly love these type of activities, projects, and I want to continue to incorporate them in my lessons.
We can help people by talking to them, including them in things, and getting to know them better.
Because no matter where I go, people are all unique in their own way and worth getting to know.
The end! Hey, I said this is the end. You may leave now. Leave this place immediately. I will have to send you to the end screen myself. Credits to my mom for helping me.